competition, NSGW conducted a national rated and unrated chess tournament. I would now like to invite Mr. Manoj Valevital and Shirley Nambia to come onto the stage and distribute the prizes of the chess tournament.
Hello. So NSW conducted rated and unrated chess competition this year, and let me call on the winners. If you hear your name, please come onto the stage. So the unrated category 1, kindergarten to 3rd grade, we have first prize goes to Alan Salu, second prize goes to Ishwar Anup, and third prize goes to Kevin Mohan. Kevin Mohan, if you are here, please come on stage. Next we have in the unrated category 2, grade 4 to 7. We have first prize that goes to Hemsai Ritvik Chekat. Hemsai Ritvik Chekat, if he's here, please come on stage.
Okay, thank you.
The second prize goes to Suryansh Marwada. The third prize goes to Janaki S. Raj. In the unrated category 3, 8 to 12th grade, the first prize goes to Dhyan Vijali, second prize goes to Rishabh Menon, and third prize goes to Arjun Anil. So this was conducted nationwide. So most of the winners are out of state, so that's why you don't see them here today. But the trophies were already sent by mail to those who were out of state. In the rated category 0 to 1,100, we have the first prize going to Gagan Karthik Rajesh, second prize goes to Abhiram S. Raj, and third prize goes to Dhruv Panikar. Then in the rated category 1101 to 1,400, the first prize goes to Riyansh Walia. The second prize goes to Nitin Parameshivan, and third prize goes to Adi Kashi. Adi Kashi, if you're here, please come on stage. Okay, all right, thank you very much.
I just want to thank Venkatesh Patil, who was always supporting the Malayali community for running this kind of chess tournaments, especially the NSW. He couldn't come here. He was supposed to come here and distribute these trophies. He couldn't come. I need to add one more thing. We are going to have a stamp competition which is going to come on October 19th. NSW, that's some kind of signature event we are running for the so many years. So this year we are planning to do the same way what we did last year, in person. That's what we are planning, right? So please encourage all our kids in the community, not only in the community, also community also. You can come and participate in this STEM competition. It's an innovation project competition. So this will be just in person, kids are coming and presenting their innovative ideas or maybe anything like a poster presentation. So please encourage all your kids to come and participate. We will be circulating around the flyer next week. So please encourage everyone. Thank you.